These guys, we've got a low place right here. So what we're doing, we're trying to fill this in before we get in here and start overlaying. So Barry's holding a string here. Juan's holding a string on the backside. We're just trying to get this thing filled in with some mix so that when we do that final lift on here, you set it on 2 inches and you let it ride. So it takes some finagling and stuff like this. Hey, come down a little bit, TJ. You high. Come on. There you go. Ride it on down. You're coming down quick now. Come on. I got you. Grab your skid.
Yeah, he should just come on down with me.
That's fine. You good? Just I know. You were a little. It's okay. It'll go down. Whose bird's nest string line is this mess?
Holy cow.
I'm confident here. Take that shovel. What the hell did they cut?
Oh, okay. Sounds just like Doc.
Yeah, otra vez aquí. Yo no recuerdo. I'm sorry. Yeah, we stay on TJ. He's got so much hair. We give him crap. But now I'm out here, I ain't got a darn bit, so I told him if I was really him, I'd use every bit of it I could. If I had some hair, I'd be proud of it too. Hey, drop a little bit and come across this trench. Luke, drop a little bit and drag right here on this trench and stop. That's good, just drag it out now. Now where Luke came across this, I just had him extend it since we were already pulling up there. He just made that a smooth transition right there. Throw a little bit back where Jeff's throwing. Be ready to tack this joker again and put this lift on here pretty quick like. If you can see right here, if Jazz can show us, you can see here how this machine, so I mean it takes finagling on our end running the screw, but we started at nothing to keep that water running that way in between these two properties. But we filled in where this hole was. I have no idea why it was like this before. If I'd have really had it my way, we'd have ripped all this up, put stone in here and done it that way, and it would have been right without using asphalt. But sometimes it just gets to be that way where we have to do this. But you can see where we're probably 8 or 10 inches right here in the center. We'll sit back one more time on top of this and we'll tie into about this point here. Flush. So we're going to take that grade and just finagle this. Yeah, it's going to take 5 or 6 tons of asphalt to do it, but just to know it's right and not have any callbacks, it's worth doing that to us.